Hi, welcome to Art Drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. Today we're going to draw the foundation from Fortnite. Okay, let's think about the head. I'm going to start at the top and just do a curved line here. And we're going to do a side portion, just join it up, and on the left, join that up too. Next, we're going to think about the chin, so straight line here and a straight line to the right. Just join it up on the chin here. Okay, that's our basic head. Two angled lines here from the chin. Join that up. Got a bit of a mouth area now. A little rectangular area inside. Okay, we're going to do this area here and to the left. Same straight line. Just curve that in to the edges of the mask. Okay, next look at the top area again. Just going to do a little control sort of ear panel to the left and to the right. Let's work on the left again, draw the same sort of element but a bit smaller. Okay, got those ear bits in now. Just going to put a bit of detail in here and on the right too. Now in the centre, just draw a little dot. From that, do two lines down and then up again, make a bit of a W. Okay, and then we'll just repeat that on the left and right, and up here, so joining up the W area. Now we're just leaving a bit of space, we can work upwards, straight up to the top, and straight up to the top again on the left. Now, two more lines down, another dot here, just above centre, join this up here, so. Okay, now two dots here below this W area we've made. Line down, another vertical line down. Move areas out and up. Two little mini triangles there. Okay, now I'm going to put a circle in here and here. It's going to be a light area for later on. Now that's the head area, so we're going to think about the shoulders. Just two little lines out from the head and then down, another angle down, just repeating that. Join that up. Okay, a couple of extra lines in here. Let's move to the right to start the shoulder off. So, do a line up and we'll join up to where we just drawn. On the other side, we're going to do a smaller little piece first of all, a bit of an oblong around there, and then we're going to do a curved area across and down. Let's join this up here and do the same thing on the other side on the left. Okay. A little triangular area here, and then from that we can go straight down, so we're making the chest. And we're just going to put his pep also in here, curved line. And same thing on the left side there, so we've got his muscles going on here. I'm going to just put a bit of the armour detail here. And this side's got a circle in. Just join that up there, join up here, it just shows off his armour. Next, this circular area here, so put a dot in the middle. From that we can do curves out, got this kind of spiral looking area. Here we are, there's four curves there. Do his main shoulder area here. So bring a big bit of armour curved around here. That's the main part of his right shoulder. And then on the other side, bring it out here, a bit of a kick to that and up again. Just join it up along the bottom there. Okay, this side, another circle, so a semicircle curve goes on the right there. And then a little circle in there. I'm just going to do a bit of detail in here now, making it really cool for later on. Okay, let's think about his arms. Maybe I want to do just the inner part of his body, so two lines down. A bit of armour here, so I'm just going to do some line work there. join this bit up here, and just add some lines in here on the right, make it look quite robotic. And then it's got a little bit on the left hand side there. Just an angle down, another line here, making up his torso. Curved area and below, join it up. Diagonal line and another underneath. And we're just going to have a little area on the left there. Okay. From the bottom to the top, on the left and the right, join that up. And we'll just go from the bottom to the top, sort of fan out some lines there. Then some horizontal lines to finish off the torso. Okay, cool. Right, next on the right hand side, just on the sort of hip area, we're going to do a rectangular sort of mark here and an L shape within it. Just join up these areas here and there. Okay, cool. Happy to do the arms now. So bicep down to here, right around up to the top of the shoulder, line down and some horizontal curved lines here, slightly larger one there, and let's do the other side. Okay, from the top down, round and up, and then some horizontal curved lines around here. Okay, next. Let's have a look at this right arm. Just zigzag around here and curve up here. Just going to repeat this pattern a little bit within there. Shows off his armour. Down here and up. And then bring out for his clenched fist, just a few lines there. Left hand side, I'm going to join this up here. All the way down, round, same sort of thing on the left hand side as we've done on the right. But inside there we're going to do a couple of curves, sort of imitate a bit of a circle, and a few little nuts and bolts going on here, show off this robotic armour. Join this up like so, and then again we're going to just put in a bit of a curve, clenched fist there. Great, okay. Onto the middle section of his legs. It's got some armour there. Cool. Right. Left leg. Work from the middle up and up here on the right. Now we can do the armour here. It's right down here. And another line curved from the top to the middle, just above his knee. And a couple of lines here to show his legs. His armour sort of displays out here. Goes around there, protect his thighs. We just had a bit of detail, lineage work around here. Great, okay. Just going to do the inner part of his leg there, line down on the right, inner part here. A couple of bits of detail armour to add in there. Okay, let's do the rest of his legs. First of all, the knee area. Just going to curve in where his calves are, and then we've got some area up, down, sort of like a big shield on his leg there. Join those up, there we go. And then have the detail, some diagonal lines go up and around, and then down, around and up. Put a few circles in the middle there. And the left leg, same sort of thing, like a little mini shield, put that in, there we go. Same thing on the inside, down, join it up, just a bit of detail going in, put those circles back in, join it up, that looks good. So feet to go, right foot, left foot, a couple of curves. Move this out, robotic foot, straight line here, same thing, diagonal down, straight curve there, then just the heel area comes out a bit, there we go. Alright, that looks good. So he's got a cape, so we can have some fun with this. It's just waving around in the wind. It's all sort of tattered, so we can just do some lines there, join it up in the middle there. Right, just going to do some background, maybe you sort of want some rocky terrain. There we go. That looks great. Okay, so what we need to do is just add some black areas here, give the picture some depth. So on his helmet, we've got a black area on the right here, fill it in the middle area here, and then this bit on the left, we'll just make sure we leave those little areas of light. Fill those in. Yep, already that's looking better. Okay, next up, just below the top area, we've done those little triangular pieces within the helmet, which are going to really pop in a minute. So just fill in around here. Okay, great. Just below the head, it's quite dark around here on this part, just in the neck area. Same on the other side. Okay, it's another black area here, just below his pec muscles. And the same on the other side. So pop that in on the left there. Cool. Just going to add a bit of shading here. Make the shoulder part pop. There we are. We've left a little bit of highlight on the left hand side. Just going to fill in here. Maybe just sort of show some shadow. Actually, I'm going to fill in the whole part here. That looks better. Next up, these areas on his torso, can really fill those in now. Already looks so much better. Now, I want to do that cape area. I want to really show it off, so I'm going to fill right in here with the black pen. Just fill that all up. Great, okay. So just fill in here and an area here, just by legs where the arm was covering. Just a little bit where his belt is there. I'm going to leave a little area there. Just a bit on that sort of pocket bag he's got. And here as well. Fill that in there, just leave a little chip of light. Great. Okay, other arm at the inner part here. Yeah, that's good. Just fill in those gaps. Okay, and then the armour covers of most of the leg, but there's these little areas of black here and on the left here. Great, okay, and that is the black line work done. Next up, just want to start adding a metallic effect on this guy. So I've got a grey-blue pen. Just fill in there, leave a bit of area at the top for light, so the light is bouncing off his helmet. Great, excellent, okay. Next up, just look at this right hand area. His shoulders, torso, so again just fill in where we can. The light is bouncing off there, so fill that in. Okay, I want to do his chest on the right there, so same sort of thing, just leave a little area of light, fill in the rest. Fill this in here, and same sort of thing again, fill that in, leave a little area. Do this hand here on the right. We can fill the same one on the left. and central area between the legs there. Then underneath sort of the soles of his feet, where he's got his armour, that's done, okay. So next we've got a contrasting grey. So he's got a couple of like two tones going on, grey, blue and like a darker grey. And I'm going to, on the left hand side, do the same kind of thing as I've done on the right, but I'm going to use this different colour. Just colour that in, that circular area we can colour in, see how the contrast makes it look pretty cool. Just fill in here. Just fill in the detail areas here, just make sure you leave a little bit of white. Let the light sort of bounce off his armour. Do his arm here. This bit's probably a bit darker so we can fill that in. Same sort of thing on the other side. Cool, just look at the legs, this pocket here. This armour sort of around the sides where we put the line work in, we can just fill that in. I can just fill in the areas I want to fill in around here. Same on the other leg. And then his shins, just going to fill that in around the edges there. Same over here. Cool. Okay, let's just do the feet. So same over either side. Just a little bit, loads of light flipping off here. That's great. I think let's just get a bit of a brown. We'll just fill in the other areas, sort of the strap areas of his armour. So fill these right in. Torso area, just up here and there. And then we'll just move that in here. There we go. Cool. Just going to put a little bit there and a little bit there. Fill it in on the legs here and on the left here. Okay, next up, we're really going to make this pop. This is a good bit. Get the red, start putting it on his helmet. Really nice, vibrant pop of red. It's going to bring this picture to life. Let's fill in those areas on the helmet. Yeah, that's cool. It's got this red panel here on the arm. Fill that in. Yeah, that's really looking good. And on the left there. So I think I just want to add a bit on here as well, just to balance the image. Yeah, let's just fill that whole bit there. And around here, just leave a little pop of light. Same thing again here. Fill it in, looks really cool. Like it. Alright, that pop of red really works really well. Right, just fill in the bottom part here, so get an orangey, yellow, sort of sandy desert rocky area. Just fill it in around, again, really nice contrast to the picture. Cool. And that is the foundation on ArtDraw. Thanks for watching.